Aisyn, is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Eat some now.
No, not yet. Wait for her to get done. As soon as we're done.
Got some cute close-ups.
You're just enjoying the icing, aren't you?
Ice cream, Papa.